Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, time well spent. We've noticed many of our clients are rich in many precious resources, including time. Just as a company may pay dividends to shareholders, the best investors seem to have a knack for getting time to pay dividends. For instance, activities like bills, errands, or emails can easily frazzle a person, but when we zoom out, a lot of them are routine and recurring. We can expect them. In the book Off the Clock, Laura Vanderkam has a system for reviewing our time. For any activity, we can ask, will I ever do this again? And if so, is there something I could do now that would make future instances easier? Good news. Small interventions now can pay time dividends for weeks, months, or years into the future. We are fans of automatic deductions. You can use monthly payments to work on debt, investment contributions, and retirement savings. The passing of the seasons makes a wonderful excuse to review the state of our goals and these automatic plans. A company might regularly divvy up its profits as dividends of cash to shareholders, but as individuals, we can find ways to get our time to pay us back. It just takes a little forethought now to get these time dividends. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.